Daddy, please text me or send me a voice note because I can't answer the phone because I'm there at work. But it's urgent. She said she asked me to tell you to send her the.
Ashley, are you listening to the voicemail then what you're sending to me? It keeps stopping at send me that. Send me what? Just tell me what you're telling us stop about daddy, you need and daddy. Just tell what you need to send me. What?
Daddy, on my end, it good. Me I hear everything. All right, let me take my time. She tell me, she just called me because I'm there at work. And she tell me to tell you, say, to send me the.
You know me, I gotta tell you some bumper ass clad bad word. Listen to the fucking message them you're sending to me. Them keep ending at, she need to send me there and it cut off. Why you don't fucking say we answer early before it reaches 1 minute or a couple seconds? It keep cutting off at you. She need to send me the, listen to their message to me. Send their message them you're sending to me. Ashley, just go listen. A bad word never blood clot till because it keep cutting off. All the fucking shit you're saying at early. Why you saying? Why you fucking tell me? Why you reach make it end up to a couple seconds? And it cut off. That's what I'm getting on my end. Okay? So if you're not blood clot, text it to me. Don't bumble clot, voicemail it to me.